I start the book, no introduction, folks. I want you to be as discombobulated as I am when we go to trial. And then we're thrown immediately to Alina Habba Esquire, Trump's most beautiful attorney, asking me to list my lovers. Now, who is not going to find that funny? Who? You cannot read a book and have it start out like that with getting hit. Who are your lovers? Luckily, at the end of every day for the final 2 years, I made a video memo. Then I had probably the most comedic script ever written since Jonathan Swift published Gulliver's Travels. I had the court transcripts.
Right.
Gold.
Yeah.
Comedy gold.
Is it surprising to you that you win these suits and then Trump was reelected? Is that surprising at all?
Stunning. I mean, it was almost every woman I know was appalled and stunned. It was stunning. It's hard to believe. Hard to believe.
How do you think that happened?
Well, because people don't believe women. They don't believe women when they're saying one thing, and a very, very powerful man is saying something else.
Yeah.
Just a fact. But we proved that he was the one who lied, and we proved he was so much the one who lied, he has to pay $83 million because he lied.
Yes, and the recent news, the appeals court is not.
Yeah, the jury, both juries, unanimous federal juries, had no trouble believing me when they heard the witnesses and saw the evidence. They had no trouble, no trouble. But if you're going to listen to the conspiracy theories on the other side, I can see where they'd be a little confused.
In Trump's deposition, when he sees the photo of you and he says that's Marla, what did that feel like for you?
I was astounded. My lawyers, when they heard it, knew that they had won the case right there. All the things he could not say in court, he'd go out and say after court. But he would say this: I'm the one who suffered. I'm the one who should be paid the damages. He looked just like Saint Sebastian, tied to a tree and shot with arrows. So pathetic. I mean, he's so, that he would say that. Trump is fairly simple. The main thing he loves is money. That's the main thing. I mean, he made $600 million last year in office from his Bitcoin, or whatever his version is. I gotta say, the people who use that kind of money are mainly criminal, okay? Just gotta say. Just look at the history. So if you look at Trump, the main thing he cares about is money, and the second thing is his popularity. So, as you say, as we get off our lazy ass, all we have to do is lift his wallet, do things that take away his money, and he will be a force no longer. Women have the power. We just have to realize it. We hold, as they say, the purse strings. American government would come to a pause if we ever got it together and realized how much power we have.
You're going to be getting these funds, and you're going to be putting a lot towards your aging foundation. Can you talk a little bit about what types of organizations and the sort of mission you're trying to develop there?
Well, my mission is to make him so angry and so mad by taking this $83.3 million and giving it to things that Trump hates. That's what I'm doing. Women's reproductive rights. Binding up the wounds that he's inflicting on democracy and shoring up voting rights. Those are going to be my three main areas.